Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. You're just in time for Fun-Filled Friday Science Experiment. Every Friday until the official last day of school, I am going to come on and share a science experiment with you guys with items that you can find that's already in your house or easily can be bought at a store. Um, Today we're going to be talking about clouds, and as you guys know that there are several types of clouds. But today we're going to be making rain clouds, which is a nimbus cloud, and nimbus is a Latin word for rain. And there are two types of nimbus clouds. One is cumulonimbus, which is rainstorms. You know, you see those big clouds during a rainstorm during the summer when it's nice and pretty outside, then boom, there's a big cloud and it rains really quickly and then goes away. The second nimbus cloud is nimbus stratus, which are those gray low-lying clouds, and it rains all day long. So today we're going to be making a cumulonimbus cloud, and we're going to see it rain inside of a cup. So materials that you'll need for this science experiment is you need your shaving cream, food coloring. I chose blue for rain, but you can choose any color. You can a medicine dropper or a bottle with a squeeze nozzle that you can control how much comes out of it. And you also need 2 cups of water. All right, let's start. Okay, guys, as you can see, I am outside, so you might hear some cars passing by, neighbors saying hello, but I don't want you to pay any of that attention because we're going to have some fun with this science experiment. So the first thing we're going to do, as you can see, I have my 2 cups of water. I'm going to take my blue food coloring and put 2 drops of food coloring inside 1 cup. 1, 2. And now I am going to use my medicine dropper to mix it all together so it can be a clear blue liquid inside the side of this cup. Mix the food coloring and water together. Okay, I think that's mixed pretty well. So now I am going to take my shaving cream, which is going to be used as my cloud, and I'm going to put my shaving cream inside of the other cup. Put it on top of the water here. And then I'm going to cover it, well, not cover, but make sure it's in there really good. All right, so there goes my cumulonimbus cloud. Now I'm going to use my medicine dropper and fill and get some water out of this blue solution right here. Get some water out of this cup. And evenly distribute the water onto my cloud, the blue water onto my cloud. For those of you that don't know, water is continuously being recycled through a process called the water cycle, where it starts off we're going to start off with evaporation, where the sun warms water, like in lakes, oceans, streams, wherever water is on the earth, and heats it up, and the water rises into the air through a process called evaporation. And as the water rises through the air, it's in a state of a gas, so you can't see it, but water is continuously rising into the air. And then as water rises into the air, it begins to cool and condense to form a cloud. And that is called condensation. And as you can see, guys, I am evenly distributing the water over the cloud. I'm not putting it in one certain location. And guys, and just like a real cloud, when this shaving cream gets too much water and it becomes too heavy, the water inside of the cloud will begin to fall to the ground through a process called precipitation. And precipitate, it can come out as rain, snow, sleet, or even hail. You guys see the blue coming through yet? Oh, it's almost coming through. So I'm guessing our cloud is getting there, not quite. Guys, clouds in the sky can hold on to water. Like, they can hold millions of gallons of water. But they can't keep storing the water forever. So eventually they get too heavy, as I said before. And when that happens, the water falls from the cloud or precipitates as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Mr. Green has been constantly pouring the blue solution, pouring the rain into our cloud. And I don't know if you guys can see it too good on where you're watching it from, but I can see it falling a little bit through the cup here. As you can see, it's beginning to rain a little bit. So our clouds are beginning to get heavy, and it's starting to precipitate, starting to rain on the earth. As you can see, the water in this cup here is starting to get more blue. And there goes our rain in the cup, guys. The cloud, you see the rain inside the cloud, and then as the cloud got heavy, it began to rain. And also, guys, when you manipulate this experiment, when you try using more water and less shaving cream, or less water and more shaving cream, I want you to determine which one looks more like a drizzle and which one looks more like a downfall. Until next Friday, guys. Bye.